Hey everybody, today we're going to be making something called a paper balance. It's kind of an origami project that in the end we'll be able to pick this thing up and hopefully balance it on our finger. We'll see if it'll happen. So what you'll need to do for this project, or need to have, is basically just a sheet of paper. Just a regular sheet of 8.5 by 11 paper. What you're going to do is you're going to take about 1.5 inches of the paper, fold it over, making sure that it's very even on the sides. And you don't have to be exactly 1.5 inches, but you know, somewhere about that. So if you want to get a ruler and measure out 1.5 inches, you can. A lot of people at this point would take scissors and cut this, but you know me, you don't even have to have scissors in my class. You can use your hands if you know how. So just fold it a bunch of times, make a fault on the paper, and when you do, you'll be able to tear it very easily. There we go. Just like so. So it's got a little bit of a rough edge there, but that's okay. We can just pinch that off. Pinch this one off too. That's not enough to bother anybody. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to fold our paper lengthwise. Make a tight fold. And then we're going to fold it in the middle, like that. So once again, fold it lengthwise, open it, and then fold it in the middle, like that. Now, you're going to make 2 corner folds. They're going to go even with the fold in the middle. You see how I made that corner go right even with the fold that I made in the middle? Pick it up and fold it both ways. Just like so. Do the other side the same way. Fold it back and forth. Just like that. Then when you've got them folded, you want to bend it in. Like that. Oh. Same thing on this side. Bend it up and push it in. Like that. Now for some of you, that's going to be tough to do the first time, but it should look like that when you're done. Now here comes the fun part. A lot of you won't understand why to do this, but don't worry about understanding why. Just do it. Just trust me. Fold it up. See? You open it and fold it. Turn it over. Do the same thing with the other one. So when you're done, there should be these sort of V shapes here, and it should open from the outside like that. Now you're going to fold these down, kind of open it, fold it down like this, and you're going to make what almost looks like the letter M. And if you leave it too far out, it won't work. If you go too far in, it won't work. So mine may not work right now. I don't know. I may have to adjust it a little bit. But you're basically making something that looks like the letter M. See? See how it looks like the letter M? And when you're done, if you're lucky, it'll balance on your finger. See? I wonder if Miss Hoy could come up with a running drill where you couldn't drop this because it's balancing on your finger. You see it? Okay. There you go. I hope you have fun with that. Bye-bye.